Hi, Christine here, your beauty expert. So I received a few messages about what I'm using for my skin since I'm out in the Philippines. I'm going to different islands. I'm on, basically on beaches, and I do have some pigmentation, but I did have laser, and I'll show you that in my other video. But what I do daily is I exfoliate my skin. So I use my Total Renewal Exfoliating, and what I love about this is that it actually helps with texture and any exfoliating that I need, and it takes off all the extra sunscreen that I've used from the day before, so I get a really clean face. Okay, so I basically put about this much on my face, and then what I do is I use it dry. So start in my cheek area, go to my nose. This basically, I just do it for about a minute, and then I get some on my forehead. I have lash extensions on, so I make sure that I don't use it around my eyes. You don't want to go around the eyes anyways, it's a little too gentle around that area. But you can see, kind of just do a little polishing with my fingertips. Tiny little circles. Okay, now I'm ready to rinse off. I'm gonna rinse all of this off, and I'll kind of rinse sideways so it doesn't get into my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm all dry, and I made sure to just kind of press my lashes back together. A lot of people make the mistake of combing their lashes way too much. I don't mind combing them a little, but what I really do to keep them on long is I press them together and just kind of get them going up at the right angle. So next what I use is I use my toner, and this is a softener from Shiseido. It's a white lucent softener, and what I like about this, it's kind of like, it's a prep for your skincare, and it has moisture in there, so it also helps hold your moisture better. So I like this, and I put this all over. Once I'm done with that, I add my Ultimune. This is really nice because it actually has ingredients to help protect your skin in the environments. It's kind of like your anti-pollution, but it also helps with the way your skin heals and recovers from maybe a burn, a sunburn, bad air quality. So this really is your skin that takes care of itself while it's out in the environment. So Ultimune is a great product. This one I've been using for a couple of years now, and I noticed a big difference in my skin and the quality. My pores look good, my skin texture is nice. I don't need to, I don't need as much makeup because my skin glows with this. So it just helps with my cell turnover as well, but it helps with my skin cell immunity, so I love it. Okay, and then after that, I actually don't put moisture because I'm in the Philippines where it's so hot and humid. It's like 80% humid and 83 degrees. So I actually use my sunblock. This is the Shiseido SPF, and what this does is I put it all over, literally all over. And what this does is it protects my skin. I look super white, but once this is blended in, it's amazing. So that's my how to do my skincare. I do it basically in 5 minutes. My next video will be about how to do your makeup for this weather. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'm Christine, your beauty expert.